Hi, welcome to the introductory guide for the SKX6Pro SmartSled, a SmartSled specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy XCover6 Pro. In this video, we'll discuss how to effectively use this device and how to get everything set up. The SKX6 Pro is the latest addition to the SKX SmartSled product line. It features a powerful 2D barcode scan engine with upgrade options for medium and extended read ranges. The SKX6 Pro communicates to the XCover via USB OTG, resulting in a fast and stable connection with no Bluetooth required. With an IP67 rating and a 5-foot drop spec, the SKX6 Pro is dust tight and water resistant. Drop protection is increased to 6 feet when equipped with a protective rubber boot. The modular design of the SKX6 Pro SmartSled enables users to attach a variety of companions to add additional capabilities to the SmartSled. We have a hand strap companion, a 2000 mAh extended battery pack, a pistol grip with an optional 6000 mAh battery, short and long range UHF readers, and a mag stripe and IC card reader. You will learn about SKX companions later in this video. But first, let's see what's in the box. Included with the SKX6 Pro SmartSled is the protective rubber boot, tweezers, a Type-C USB cable, a slide pad, a screwdriver with screws, a quick manual, a mini guide, an assembly manual, and a KOAMTAC on guide. The SKX6 Pro SmartSled will come assembled with the hand strap, as shown here. If purchased with an accessory, the SKX would be assembled with the accessory and the hand strap will come in the box. The SKX6 Pro features a hinged door, a forward-facing 2D imager scan engine, left and right scan button, a USB Type-C connector, and mounting points for companions. Now it's time to install the XCover6 Pro into the SmartSled. With the phone powered down, slide it into the SmartSled like so. Close the hinged top and snap it into place. For additional security, you can use the 2 included screws here. Power up the XCover6 Pro and you're ready to begin scanning. To scan, simply aim and press either green button on the sides of the SKX Pro. Use the red laser aimer to guide the scanner. A successful scan will sound a single beep. An unsuccessful scan will sound multiple beeps. The SKX6 Pro will come preset in USB HID profile, which will act as a keyboard wedge. This is compatible with applications accepting keyboard input. The data will populate into any active text field. Alternatively, the SKX6 Pro can be used in USB serial for integrating native applications that use our SDK. For this profile, please scan the programming barcode provided in the quick guide or included on the slide pad. The XCover6 Pro can be charged without removing it from the sled. Simply connect the SKX to a power outlet via the Type-C USB cable or one of our charging cradles. To charge with the charging cradle, simply drop the SKX6 Pro into the cradle and you'll begin charging. We offer charging cradles in multiple configurations that utilize a spacer system. This spacer system generates 90% less plastic waste, and when a new SKX comes out in the future, you're just replacing spacers. Changing spacers is easy. Simply lift out the spacer you want to replace and add a new one. Replace the slot with a spacer for the 2000 mAh battery or for additional SmartSleds. All charging cradles feature LED lights to indicate your charging status, and they support adaptive fast charging. Let's discuss companions. Did you know that both the pistol grip and the extended battery can be easily interchanged? Just press down on both tabs of the extended battery and slide it out of the adapter. Then, take your pistol grip and align it to the adapter, pressing upwards, until you hear a click. Squeeze the trigger to scan. To swap the battery, unscrew the knob on the bottom, and the battery will slide out. Replace with a fully charged battery from one of our charging cradles, close the hatch and screw it tight. We offer short-range and long-range UHF readers for your SmartSled. The 1-watt UHF companion has a read range of up to 20 plus feet and rates upwards of 400 tags per second. This reader also has a swappable 6,000 mAh battery in the handle. Both barcode scanning and tag reading are done by pressing one of the scan buttons or the trigger. Consult the Quick Manual to learn how to switch between UHF and barcode mode, and to learn about the different UHF read modes. We also offer a magstripe reader and an MPOS companion. For more information, contact your KOAMTAC sales rep. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any additional questions or would like to know more, contact us with the information on screen or in the description links below.